especially on the 555th birthday of Guru Nanak. All the major religious traditions from the world, the leaders have come here, and we want to be united to bring about peace in this world. And especially India is the best example in the world where all major religious traditions exist but live harmoniously and tolerantly. So India can show a big example for the whole world. And I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. And cultural differences. His efforts to bridge ancient wisdom with modern science further emphasizes the relevance of spiritual traditions in today's
We
world.
will be starting with the Shabad Jagat Jalanda Rakh Le Apni Kirpa Tar. The English translation is, the world is going up in flames. Please shower it with your mercy and save it. हे प्रभु विकारां विच सड़ रहे संसार नू अपनी मेहर करके बचा ले। जगत जलांदा रख ले अपनी कृपा 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 जित जगत जलांदा रख ले अपनी कृपा जगत जलांदा रख ले अपनी कृपा